against Ebola. The CDC says a lab technician may have been exposed to the deadly virus after a mistake at their high-security lab in Atlanta. That's the same facility that earlier this year mishandled dangerous anthrax and flu samples. ABC's Ron Claiborne has the new details.
The alarming news broke late today. As many as a dozen CDC researchers potentially exposed to the deadly Ebola virus by mistake. CDC officials said on Monday a small amount of material, which may have contained the live virus, was moved from a level 4 security lab, where researchers must be fully protected in airtight suits, oxygen filtered in, to another lab, security level 2. It was there that the virus was processed by a technician, and other scientists entered the room. Those other scientists cleared today, but the technician now under mandatory observation for 21 days to make sure no symptoms develop. In a statement, the director of the CDC, Tom Frieden, said, "I am troubled by this incident. We are monitoring the health of one technician who could possibly have been exposed, and I have directed that there be a full review of every aspect of this incident." It's just the latest troubling incident at CDC. Last May, a flu sample with deadly bird flu was sent to an Agriculture Department laboratory by error. And in June, dozens of CDC workers accidentally exposed to anthrax. Frieden telling ABC News at the time,
"We've had 2 incidents in recent months that are a wake-up call. Safety protocols that should have been in place weren't, or procedures weren't followed."
The CDC vowing to do better after those mistakes, but tonight, Tom, yet another wake-up call.
Hard to believe. All right, Ron, thank you so much. Now to a new wave of violence near